welcome to Unskooler, India's most exclusive e-learning platform. This is Naziya, Shaikh, your maths mentor. Today's our topic is understanding quadrilateral. This you have done in your previous classes, 6th and 7th standard. You have learned about what is quadrilateral and what are the parts of quadrilateral and terms involved with quadrilaterals. We will quickly revise in this class today. So a polygon. First of all, what is a polygon? Polygon is a closed curve which is made up of line segments. Now there are various types of triangles, starting from triangle, quadrilateral, you have pentagon, you have hexagon, septagon, octagon, nonagon and decagon, and many are there, right? So triangle is the smallest polygon, right? It is a three-sided figure which is made up of three line segments, and it is the smallest polygon. Now what is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral, the word itself tells you that a polygon, a closed polygon made up of four sides or four line segments is called as quadrilateral. I am drawing one quadrilateral on the board. I am going to name it as ABCD. So now here you can see that there are four sides, that is AB, BC, CD and AD. Now let us draw the diagonals. So when I say diagonals, when a line segment joins two opposite vertices, diagonal is formed. So here opposite vertices are A and C, right? So when I join the points A and C, here I am getting the diagonal AC, and here non-adjacent vertices are B and D. So when I am joining opposite vertices, I am getting two diagonals. So here diagonals are AC and BD.